What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over our friend SPX6900. If you're a believer, if you're investing and not trading, make sure to subscribe for SPX6900 updates. Currently, we're up almost 18%, massive bounce for SPX. Seeing it almost 60 cents once again. Market cap 548 million, 24 volume 22 million. So if we pop into the chart, we bounce perfectly from our pullback zone. So what we're looking at is a 1-2, looking to push up in a 3. And of course, within that wave 3 are a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I will give you the target for this larger wave count. Take it from the bottom, which is at 0.37, up to the top, to the bottom of that wave 2. I'm just going to remove all of this, as I don't want it to distract you. So as you can see, we bounced perfectly from our target zone. So that wave 3 is probably going to push higher than the 161.8, looking at the wave count within it. It can push all the way up. That's our wave 3 target for the wave count off the pullback low, up here at $1.88. So I think it makes sense that we pushed up 1, 2, looking to push up in a 3, but right now we just have a 1, 2. So it will overshoot a little bit. It can push all the way to $1.37. Because what I can do here, we're looking to push up in a larger wave 3 right here. Let me just adjust this for you guys so it makes a little bit more sense. Bear with me. Hope you're doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, but of course you have a 5-wave move within that. So right now you have a wave 1 to the upside. That's your wave 2 pullback. Yeah, see, as you can see, your smaller wave 3 targets all the way up here, which means this wave count is likely going to finish somewhere in between the 161 and the 261, in between about $1.01 and $1.61 in my opinion. So what you're looking at for our smallest wave count, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, put that on minuscule. And that's what you're looking for. So in the short term, you'd look to push up to about $1 in a smaller wave 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a wave 5, complete that larger wave 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5, which will take you up towards our largest wave count off the pullback low, which is up here at $1.88. Hopefully that all makes sense to you. If you're new to Elliott Wave, there's many good tutorials here on YouTube, as well as my Discord is free to the public for the next few days. Then it will be closed once again. Make sure to click that top link. Don't miss out. So wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, look up 3, 4, 5, take you back up to $1. My average price is like 40 something cents. So I'm quite happy to see SPX going to the moon today. And if we look at our next chart here, you can see beautiful, massive inverse head and shoulders. Once again, we're breaking that neckline. The target's $1.54. I do think SPX, with the amount of interest that MURAD is pushing on X, we could get to above $50 a coin. That's my prediction. All right, gang, I'm not trading this one, but I am trading other coins, including Ethereum. Only for a few days' time, completely free access to my Discord. Then it will be closed. You'll have to sign up through my affiliate link. But for the next few days, just click the link top of the comments. You get my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects. My exact trade setups, we're going to trade for Ethereum right now. What I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, I'm posting news. One of my members is posting news all day long. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.